Hello smart mathematicians, let's do question 2.1 of algebra part 4. We have to simplify this expression. Like I always emphasize, we have to make sure that the bases are the product of their prime factors. So 4 is what? Is 2 times 2, which is 2 squared. Let's change the 4. Then it becomes, this is equal to 2 to the power 2x minus 2 to the power 2. This is our 4. Then x plus 1. Okay, and then over 2 to the power 2x, it's 2 to the power 2. This is our 4. And then plus 2 to the power 2x minus 1. In next step, we have to raise a power to a power. Let me just explain that. X to the power a to the power b is equal to x to the power ab. A times b, isn't it? We are raising a power to a power. Please be careful. This is a common mistake. When you're distributing, you're multiplying 2 with x plus 1. So you're saying 2 times x. You're distributing the 2. 2 times 1. Be careful with that. And then this one is 2 times x is 5. So this is where we get common mistake. People just say 2 times x. And then they have 2x plus 1 instead of 2x plus 2. Okay, take note of that. So we have 2 to the power 2x minus 2 to the power 2x plus 2 over 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power 2x minus 1. What is the next step? We have to split the power. Remember, x to the power a plus b is equal to x to the power a times x to the power b. We use it for this one and this one. So it's 2 to the power 2x minus 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power negative 1. If you check the numerator and the denominator, we can factorize them. The highest common factor there, which is 2 to the power 2x. Okay, let me just do it by this idea. So let's start by the numerator. So we're saying we factor out 2 to the power 2x, and then becomes 2 to the power 2x divided by 2 to the power 2x. You see that? Minus 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2x. Why am I doing this? Because I've seen a mistake when it comes to this, especially with this one. Okay, you find that for many people this disappears and then they just remain with one term in the bracket. If you have two terms, you're factorizing two terms. It means in the bracket you must have what? You must have two terms. So 2 to the power 2x will be outside the bracket. And then in the bracket you're going to have 1 minus 2 to the power 2. Right, that is the numerator. So you have 2 to the power 2x and then 1 minus 2 to the power 2. Okay, let's factorize the denominator. Again, we have the highest common factor, which is 2 to the power 2x. And then in the bracket, 2 to the power 2x divided by 2 to the power 2x, you get 1. Then plus 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power negative 1 divided by 2 to the power 2x. You do like I showed you here. 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power negative 1 divided by 2 to the power 2x, you'll get 2 to the power negative 1. And then we have 2 to the power 2x divided 2 to the power 2x divided by 2 to the power 2x. We're getting 1 there. So we remain with 1 minus 4. 2 to the power 2 is 4 divided by 1 plus 1 over 2. Remember, x to the power negative 1 is just same as 1 over x. Then 1 plus 1 over 2. It's like 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2, isn't it? Okay, so 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2, and then 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So it's negative 3 divided by 3 over 2. Okay, so here you can tip and times, say negative 3 times. This one goes up, this one goes down. Okay, you multiply by the reciprocal of 3 over 2, which is 2 over 3. Use the reciprocal there. or you can say the multiplicative inverse. 3 into 3 is 1, we remain with -2. Alright, the other thing you can do here, you can say -3 over 3 over 2. Then you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the multiplicative inverse of the denominator. So which is 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. This will give you 1. This will give you 1. Then this will give you -2.